Later.
So this is a thing that is currently happening. I was just minding my own business, waiting in Frontierland patiently for Festival of Fantasy, and yeah, I can't say I wasn't expecting this, but I haven't ridden this yet, and it's a 35-minute wait. That's like as short as it's going to get for something that's dry. This is exciting, actually. I wanted to ride this. I know it's not the most exciting ride ever, but I haven't ridden it yet. So, off we go into Prince's Castle.
Thanks a lot. Okay, so calm down. See what's next. Very carefully and respectfully of all this seagulls.
Listen to me. Stay seated in your clown chair while I get to the bottom of this.
Thanks, Sebastian. Coming home after a 12-hour shift leg.
We sent her to the right place.
Yes, I do. And winds of the Caspian Sea. Now races lost like a sick next laryngitis. Now dolce to thee.
We're going above water again. Going on the land.
She won't say a word to me. Kiss me good.
Up, which means
Great job, guys.
better than getting it. We're going up. We're going all the way up. I don't care what people say. We're going all the way up. All the way up. Up we go. Oh, up we go. All the way.
Remember, pilot, if you want to go up, you just have to pull the lever towards you.
Going all the way up. Woo! Astro Orbiter! Quintessential Disney! Tomorrowland is my aesthetic!
Introduction, parties of an odd number will be seated with another odd numbered party, as our trains only fit 2 people per row with individual lap bars.
Fantasyland because I have a fast pass for Peter Pan's flight, which is incredible to me. Another thing, it's been 12 years since I've done, so that's actually really exciting. And then after that, I have a fast pass for Haunted Mansion because you need those now. But it's a Haunted Mansion, I have to. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do for the evening. Just chill, relax, enjoy myself. You know, it's beautiful here. Getting ready.
Pretty, huh?
She's getting ready.
I'll bet a lot of you folks don't believe that.
Oh my
About a
gosh.
wish come true, do you? Well, I didn't either. Of course, I'm just a cricket. But let me tell you what made me change my mind. You see, the most fantastic, magical things can happen. And it all starts with a wish.
Still going? Still going? Alright, well that's probably it for me tonight. Ended with my usual post wishes, blue liner, TT, whatever, transit authority, whatever, it's fine. I'm tired. I want to get back before it gets too late. I don't have to work early tomorrow, which is great. I don't have to start till like 4:45, which is awesome. I'm working till 10:45, which is not awesome.
Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.